Welcome guys. We are starting live classes for UGC NET from 27th of December 2021. These classes are for those students who are writing UGC NET next year in 2022. We are expecting that this exam will happen sometime in mid of 2022. So what we do at Human Peritus, we conduct live classes for 3 subjects of UGC NET, which are Management Code 17, Commerce Code 08, HRM and Labor Welfare Code 55. Of course, paper 1 is also included. So what is our plan for these 3 subjects of UGC NET? So entire preparation plan includes 4 components. Component number 1, we send you printed concise booklets via courier at your home through which you cover the entire syllabus. Number 2, you get access to an online question bank which has topic wise questions. Of course, these questions are with detailed explanation. Please note that this question bank includes every previous year question as well, starting from year 2009. Yes, every question which has appeared in any paper since year 2009 till latest paper which has appeared in 2021 is available on this online test platform with not only answer but detailed explanation. Plus, there are new questions which are created by our team. Third part, we teach you in live classes for around 4 months for approximately 250 hours, where our teachers will cover the entire syllabus topic by topic. So these live classes are starting from 27th of December 2021. Finally, when everything is done, when you have gone through these live classes, you have covered the entire syllabus from our concise booklets, you have gone through entire question bank, you are made to go through full length mock test papers on the online test platform, just like real NTA exam. So if you go through these 4 steps, you are ready to face any possible question in the exam, and you can depend completely upon us from 100% coverage of your syllabus. If you want to enroll, what you can do, go and visit the website of Human Peritus. Another thing which you can do, in the description below in this video, what you can also do is that there is a link given in the description below of this video. With that link, you can get connected to our team via WhatsApp directly and will assist you how you can get enrolled with us. Coming back to live classes, so we are starting classes from 27th of this month. Entire syllabus will be covered in approximately 4 months. Paper 1 is also included. So what are the class timings? So every week you get a new schedule. Overall, you will have 5 to 6 classes in a week, each class being of 2 hours. Every Friday you will get an email for the next week, and that email will tell you on which day at what time you have classes for which subject. Another thing which we have done this time is that this time, for the first time, we also are giving you option to join only for recorded videos. So in that option, you do not attend live classes, but you can watch recorded videos of same live classes at the time of convenience, especially for those guys who are working professional, who don't have time to attend classes at specified timings. They can get this option of recorded videos only. To understand more, please look at our website. Finally, who will teach you? Please understand that every teacher who will come in front of you to teach, he or she will be definitely NET or JRF qualified. Second thing, it is not that just 1 or 2 teachers will cover everything. There are 10 to 15 different subject matter experts who will cover the entire syllabus. What you can also do is that go to website of Human Peritus, go to your page, whatever subject you are interested in, management, commerce or code 55. On your page, we have put up some recorded videos of previous classes. Go through some of those classes. You will get very good idea of how do we teach in these classes, what kind of language is used, what is style or quality of teaching, you can also look at that. So guys, if you want to understand entire program of Human PyTest in detail, go to website of Human PyTest. On the home page only, you will find these green colored buttons. You can click on the button whichever you want, whether code 55 HRM or management code 17 or commerce code 8. You can go on these pages and accordingly you can enroll yourself. Finally, please note that we have given a link in the description below. With that link, you can get connected to our team directly via WhatsApp and you can discuss anything, anytime with our team. Thank you so much.